On Galaxy Fit 3, you can have any photo from your gallery as a background for your watch face. You can do that by first selecting the photos watch face from the watch face gallery on your phone, and once you've done that, you can then customize it, go into the gallery and select up to 7 photos that you can add to this watch face. Once you have added them, you can tap on these photos to switch between them on the watch display. Now I have only added 2 photos because otherwise it would take much longer. If I tap on the watch face, I can switch between the photos. If you have 7 of them, you can keep switching between them and enjoy your memories on the band. Galaxy Fit 3 also comes equipped with the camera controller. So you can go in apps and scroll down to find the camera controller app. Tap on it and it will launch the camera on your phone. Now it does not show you the viewfinder on the band, but you do get the timer control and you get the option to capture photos. If you are on video mode, you can start recording the video on the phone and you can tap on it again to stop it as well. One of the really cool features that they have added on Galaxy Fit 3, which is also available on Galaxy watches, is the ability to add several timers or start several timers at the same time. So if you go into the timer app, you will see that we have these presets. The app is just absolutely reminiscent of the one that you get on the Galaxy watches. It's just great, and here you can start multiple timers. If I go in here, scroll, select timer, I can start another timer and then start another one. And then you can scroll between the timers, you can see them, you can pause them, play them, and if you tap on this button here, you can see them all at once, and from here as well you can control them and pause or play them, whatever you want to do. You can use Galaxy Fit 3 to also track your snoring while sleeping. You can turn the setting on by going in settings, then go in health, then go in sleep, and here you will see snore detection. You'll tap on it and it will take you to the phone Samsung Health app, and from here you can turn it on. You can change its settings to always or once. You can record the audio as well, and then you can select when for how long your phone will keep those audios, up to 100 days or 31 days or 7 days. And then once you have done that, you will then be able to record and listen to yourself snoring in the Samsung Health app using your Galaxy Fit 3, which is fantastic. A very cool feature that Samsung has added to Galaxy Fit 3 is the ability to use it either on left wrist or right wrist, so you can change the orientation of the display as well as this button. So let's go in settings, go in general, and here you will see this option orientation. Go in here. So right now it is my default setting left and the button position would be right, so I'll wear it like this. But if I select it right and then button position on the left, it rotates, and now I can wear it on my right wrist and still have this button on the outside, just like I use it on my left wrist. Samsung has not just added this home button to the band, but they have also added additional capabilities to this button. So you can select what you want to do with this button if you double press it, and you can set this up by going in settings, go in advanced features, and go in double press home button. Now by default it's set to my exercises, so if I double press it, it will launch the exercises and you can start your exercise. But you can also set it to go to most recent app, or you can select any app from the band for quick access. A very crucial feature that Samsung has added to Galaxy Fit 3 is hard fall detection. So you can turn on this feature as well by going in settings, go in emergency and safety, and here you will see this option hard fall detection. Go in here, turn this on. When your band detects a hard fall, it will signal your phone to call your emergency number for help. So whatever emergency contacts that you have selected on the phone, the band will call them. You can set your emergency number in the emergency SOS settings on your phone. So if you go back, you can set up your emergency contacts by tapping here and setting it on the phone. A really cool feature that Samsung has added, and it was about time, is the always on display on Galaxy Fit 3. So all you gotta do is swipe down and tap on this button here and it will turn on the always on display. And then if we go in the always on display setting, you will see that it's a beautiful always on display. You get big numbers, it's very distinctive, and it's all because of the AMOLED display, 1.6-inch AMOLED display that they have added on this band. With these beautiful watch faces, this always on display looks gorgeous. On Galaxy Fit 3, you can also set up a screen lock to secure your band. You can turn the setting on by going in settings, then go in security and privacy, and here go in lock type. Now here you can read about it. Once unlocked, your band will stay unlocked as long as it detects that you are wearing it. A snug band will ensure steady detection. A loose band may not work as well. So if the band is loose, it may get locked even if you're wearing it. Then there is wrist detection as well. So this is important for the band to detect if you're wearing it. Allows notifications and other features to know when you are wearing your band. Now you can go in here, you can select pattern, pin or none. So if we go in pin and go in set pin, there you go, now we have a pin, and then you can hide information as long as the band is locked. Now if we go back, it should get locked. There you go, the lock appears at the top, and now I cannot use it until and unless I put in the code. Galaxy Fit 3 also comes loaded with a media controller, so you can control your media from the band. Now it does not have a speaker, so you cannot listen anything on the band, but you can definitely control it. If you go into the apps, you'll see this media controller app. Now here you can play it, you can skip forward a track, you can go back, you can mute it or change the volume, which is great. And then you can also swipe up to see the whole library or the playlist that you are playing the music from, which is another great option that you can switch to any track in your playlist whenever you want from the band.